Unpack the Gleesfun G11PRO drone and all included accessories. Choose the appropriate RC cable to connect your phone to the controller. Before takeoff, review all manuals to ensure a safe flight. Make sure the battery and controller are fully charged before takeoff. Scan the QR code in the manual to download and install the app. Inspect and fully unfold the arms of the G11PRO drone. Check that the propellers are intact, properly installed, securely fastened, and free of any foreign objects. Remove the camera cover and peel off the protective film on the camera. Check that the battery is securely mounted. Check if the SD card is inserted correctly.